Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Suchishmita and today I am making a video of a DIY face mask that I found on YouTube. I'm going to share the details and I'm going to try this face mask for 7 days every day. After 7 days I'm going to be telling you what difference it made on my skin, whether it worked for my skin or not. So this will be a DIY face mask about skin firming that I have found from this channel, Little DIY. So in this video they have made 10 2-ingredient face masks, out of which I have picked up the skin firming face mask. And the 2 ingredients contained in this face mask is one is coffee and one is aloe vera. So I have both the ingredients present with me right now. It's an organic face mask, so we are gonna try and see what difference it brings on my face. So before I start making this face mask, I want to tell you some fun facts about coffee and aloe vera for skin firming. And I'm pretty positive on this face mask that it is supposed to be working on my face, because coffee increases blood flow, which naturally helps in tightening the skin. Aloe vera extract naturally increases the collagen production in our body, which helps in reducing wrinkles and also provides skin elasticity. Now for making this face mask, I have taken half of an aloe leaf from an aloe plant like this, and I've scooped out the aloe gel from the leaf, and then I blended it in a mixer grinder very well to avoid the chunks, to get an consistency like this, as you can see. So after blending out, the consistency looks like this, and I've blended out pretty well for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and then I start mixing like this with a spoon. And remember, you have to mix very well until the coffee powder completely dissolves. Now here's a close-up of my face before the application of the face mask, and this is how it looks like. So we are going to compare each day for 7 days and see how my skin texture is improving. So I've washed my face and I'm ready to apply this face mask on my skin. So this is how it looks like. I'm ready to make a mess. Okay. So I'll start to apply. So I'm back after washing my face. My face feels so smooth. Visibly কোনো changes হয়নি, but it feels so smooth. My face feels so fresh. So we have started on a positive note. Another thing, if you don't have aloe vera plant with you, then you can also use those aloe vera gels যেটা আমরা পাই পতঞ্জলির কিংবা কিছু অর্গানিক aloe vera gel. তো মোটামুটি ডে 1টা আমরা পজিটিভ নোটে স্টার্ট করেছি। আই এম অ্যাকচুয়ালি লাভিং হাউ মাই স্কিন ফিলস, বাট আমি যেটা নোটিস করেছি এখান থেকে কিছু রেডনেস আমি দেখতে পেরেছি। আই ডোন্ট নো ইফ মাই স্কিন হ্যাজ রিয়াক্টেড টু কফি অর aloe vera, I don't know, but then I'm still happy with applying the mask. It's just a 2-ingredient mask. It's super easy, especially for a lazy girl like me. So I'm going to follow this up with my regular moisturizer, and we'll be back with day 2 result tomorrow. Hey my lovelies, welcome to day 2. I have just washed off my mask and there is still no visible difference on my face. There is a subtle glow, but that is very subtle. I don't know. I also have an oily skin, so I don't know whether the mask is contributing to the glow or my oily skin. So I'll be back with day 3 results. Bye. This is an update on day 5. There hasn't been any major glow up or anything on my face, but my face kind of feels soft all the time, but I couldn't see any changes on my face visibly. Hey, so today is the last and the final day of the challenge, that is the 7th day, and I've already used the mask. And here's what I have to say after using the mask for 7 days. I couldn't see the major difference that I have seen after using this mask for day 1. My face was glowing and it was feeling so soft, and on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and the 7th day my face is still feeling soft, very soft, but there isn't any major glow that I have seen on the first day. So would I recommend you using this mask? Absolutely, it's 100% organic. It is definitely not going to harm your skin. It will work, but we need to give it some time to work. Definitely it's not going to give us miraculous results in 7 days, but over a period of time, say for 1 month or 2 months, you can tell me after using this mask if you see any visible difference or not, because aloe vera coffee both has a lot of benefits for your skin. But yes, before using this mask, I would recommend you to do a patch test and see if your skin is reacting to it or not. If not, you can definitely use this mask. It's super easy to make, it consumes less amount of time, and you can apply its aloe vera. If it's not readily available in your home, you can buy those 100% organic aloe vera gels from market and use this mask. Also very important, when you're using this mask, please use once, max twice a week. And also please let me know if I've done anything wrong for which this mask hasn't worked for me that well. So if you like my content, please be subscribed to my channel, and if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments whether you have any feedback for me, and if you want me to try anything for you, and I'll share my feedback to you before you use it. So that is it for today's 7-day challenge. Bye.